It's a fact, innovation is happening everywhere in the world. Here's a roundup of some of the incredible technologies breaking boundaries today. We begin in Hamburg for an art display you won't forget. Drones can be many things, but this choreographed light show is something special. What you're seeing is the Breaking Waves installation outside Hamburg's Elbphilharmonie concert hall, where each light point is an individual drone. 300 drones take part in the show, but the customized software created by the Dutch artist Duo Drift can be scaled to 1,000 illuminated flying objects, a masterful combination of art and technology. On to the Netherlands, where we check out an electric car that's able to charge using the energy of the sun. The Squad Solar allows you to do just that. It's built for densely populated cities and can be charged both by the sun or by battery. The solar panel on the roof provides a range of up to 20 kilometers on a clear day in Europe. Its batteries are easily able to be switched out and give you a maximum of 100 kilometers in range. Because of its classification, this EV doesn't require a driver's license to operate it, but it only goes 45 kilometers per hour. What makes the Squad Solar even more interesting is its starting price of $6,200. This is an affordable green alternative for inner city travel. Our last stop is Switzerland to discover a new way of making footwear. The Cryptide is a fully 3D printed shoe created using Sintratec TPE elastomer, which is a rubber-like material. The shoe is designed with varying wall thicknesses, enabling parts to become stiffer, whilst others remain soft and flexible. This makes the shoe not only ergonomic, but also comfortable. As an added bonus, it's possible to 3D scan the top of your foot and get a molded shoe. And that's our wrap of the top innovations from around the world.